Okay, you guys. Welcome back. I'm in the car again, and y'all know when I'm in the car, that means I'm about to go on the road. So today I'm taking y'all on a journey. I'm gonna show y'all what I like to do whenever I'm feeling not very much like myself and I need some me time, some space. So let's get into it. So I just want to say, as y'all can see, I'm in the car. Let me put my GPS in. I don't really need it because I know where I'm going, but I just like to have it just in case, because you know I be speeding and the cops be out to get me. But yes, so it's a very nice day outside. I got my AC blowing right now, but I'm about to turn that off in a second and open the windows once I start driving. Yeah. Oh, hold on a second. I'm about to go look at this place to see, make sure that they're open, and stuff like that.
Okay, I'm back. So, according to Google, my spot is open. They're open until about, 2:30, which is perfect. Oh shit, I'm backing up and I'm supposed to be in drive. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm good. But they're open until about 2:30, which is perfect for me because I'm gonna go over there right now. I'm gonna have me some brunch, relax, act like the rich bitch that I'm not. And then once I'm done, I'm gonna go get a wax, getting my underarms and a Brazilian. And then, more than likely after that, I'll go pick my mom up from work. I might get a bottle of wine. I might go to the liquor store later and get a bottle of wine. And come back and relax. And maybe record a YouTube video or two. I think the thing that I really like about doing these things is just it really helps me to stay centered. Remind myself this is the bitch that I am, and I am really that bitch. Oh my gosh, I cursed too much. But yeah, usually if I was a little richer, I would probably also do some shopping with that. That's what I did the first time anyways. I literally went to brunch. Oh, this is lean. Get that bread. Oh, we're not gonna worry about this right now. Just kidding, we are. It's gonna stress me. Okay, much better. But as I was saying before this thing rudely interrupted me and stressed me out, it's just I do this when I'm feeling, I don't know what I be feeling, girl, but I be feeling it. I think because I'm recording, that's why I haven't wound my window down, but this AC feels good, so it's okay. It's okay. My gas will cover that, because I don't have to get gas today. But yeah, so this is what we're gonna do. But yeah, the first time I did this, I did it on a whim, because I'm just so used to, having my boyfriend to do things with, and sometimes, when he's not around, or we're not really, on the same page. I used to feel so lost. Be like, oh my gosh, what the hell am I supposed to be doing now? But, I kind of figured out, my own routine. I don't have a routine for shit. Are you gonna fucking go? I don't have a routine for shit. But, I'm trying to build this, lifestyle. One of my favorite TikTokers, he always talks to us about the rich bitch mentality, and that's the type of mentality that I'm trying to have. I didn't brush my hair today, but it's so cute. I'm a pretty ass bitch. That's all, that's it. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna shut up now. But yes, we're on our way to brunch. Y'all, so I made it to my brunch spot. I'm going to First Watch. This is where I always go. But there it is right there. But when I just logged on just now, it said it was gonna be a 10 to 15 minute wait. Which I don't care. I can wait in my car, blast my music to upset these white people, you know what I'm saying? Just kidding, I'm not in a society, y'all. But anyways, I'm gonna be here waiting. I just went on the wait list. Usually it's a 1 to 2 minute wait, so that's why I didn't book before I drove here. But I'm gonna go in and check in, and then I'm gonna see what they say. Okay, alright, I came in and I got seated right away. And they put me at my favorite table. This is the table I always sit at when I come here by myself. And I look for it. But anyways, I'm about to look at the menu, even though I get the same thing each time. So that was really quick. I already put... This is ugly. That was really quick. I already placed my order because the guy was like, I'm pretty sure I've waited on you before, and I'm like, yeah, I would do the same thing. So, I'm ready to eat. This is what we got right here in the $12.99 aisle. These are pretty. I don't like these ones. Ooh, I've never had these types of roses before. These are like these ones. Those are pretty too. I'm really feeling this. What do you think? I think I'm gonna get that one for my mother. So these two. Yeah, so these are what I got. I got this one. Cause I really like these roses, like the orangish ones. I've never seen them in Trader Joe's before. And they don't look like dingy as fuck, so that's good. And then I also got those ones. I'm gonna give those to my mom. And then yeah, so both of us have our flowers. I'm done with that. So now I'm just gonna sit out here and wait until I have to go get my wax. Cause if I drive home, I'm probably not gonna come back. At the European Wax Center, it's about, what time is it, girl? I don't freaking know. It's 2:55, my appointment is at 3. 2:55, my appointment is at 3, so I'm just waiting for them to tell me that I can come in. I'm gonna go in, get my Brazilian, get my underarms, then I'm about to go home. There, the European Wax Center. I have to go to the door and scan a little thing on the door, but you don't go in until they tell you to come in.
So y'all, I did my wax. I really couldn't show y'all anything because I be butt ass naked in there laying on them people's table, and I'm not even gonna hold you. I never thought I would be comfortable. Like, me and my ex lady was just chatting it up about how we hate men and women should be ruling the world, and life would be so much better if women were ruling the world. We was really in there just chatting it up, and me just laying there butt ass naked getting everything waxed, and I think it was really good. I couldn't really bring y'all in there with me because, you know, certain things must be left to the imagination. But I had a good time. I had to give her a nice tip because we was really vibing. That's my sis. If I don't get her next time, I'm going to be mad. But anyways, I'm about to go home, water my mom's plants, and then I'm gonna pick her up from work. And then we're gonna continue on with my day. I really don't know what I'm doing for the rest of the day though. Y'all, I feel like there's not much to say. I watched some chicken with vinegar. That's jerk seasoning that I'm adding. And just watch what I do and follow the steps. cleaned my rice, added water, decided that I'm gonna make it yellow rice, so I added some turmeric and some extra seasonings in there as well. Sometimes I like to stab my chicken because I feel like it makes the flavor soak in quicker. So that's what I'm doing right here. If you decide to try to make this meal, keep watching and just keep following the steps that you see me doing. Pause the video and go back if you need to watch it again. It's actually very, like, this meal was actually one of the simplest things I've made. Yeah, that right there, I'm just testing the oil to see if it's hot enough to add the rest of my chicken in there. And I like my chicken a little bit crispy, so I had to cook it a little bit crispy. For this next part, I'm just gonna leave y'all with the cooking sounds because I feel like they sound good and people actually like that stuff, so listen.
I would get it. Jeez, sorry, Dad. Well, you can't watch TV and think of your homework anyway.
I finished.
Go. Get in a minute.
Okay, y'all. I can finally eat around the table. I made space. There's all this stuff around me because renovations and stuff is still going on in my house, but I finally made space around the dinner table. Anyway, so I am taste testing my meal that I plated into this half, more like majority of the pineapple. I saw this recipe online and I decided to try it, but I kind of switched it up and added my own little touch too. All I had was a pepper and a little bit of the rice, and it's good. So we're gonna do, I eat with my hands a lot. We're gonna do a pepper of pineapple, a sliver of onion, and a small piece of chicken on some rice. We're gonna taste this. Okay, this is good. This is actually really good. This is some jerk chicken fajita with rice that I saw on somebody's Instagram today. But they did it on just a regular plate. I figured I was gonna use the pineapple anyways, so I might as well just try to core it out and eat from it. I've never done this shit like this, but a bitch is doing it big. A bitch is doing it fancy. Call me Chef Tumeric, okay? I bang with this heavy. And if my chicken look a little burnt, it's because I wanted it that way. I wanted my chicken to be a little bit crispy, but still juicy, and it came out good. This is so good. If I used white rice, the pineapple really completed everything. Not gonna hold you, the pineapple really brought all of the flavors together. And then I saw him, I forgot what I saw him do. But this is really good. I could sit here and eat just the peppers. I'm really happy. I'm happy I tried this out. And this is a meal that I can like literally make for just one. I mean, I do have some leftovers for later. But I'm so happy. I was going through my daily watching food videos and saw this because I was starving. But you know what? The only thing that I did different was he used white rice or brown rice, I think. I made some yellow rice from scratch, which y'all probably saw in the video already. But that's good. I'm gonna go do berry jam. This is good. The one thing I'm happy that is like my jerk chicken didn't come out as spicy as it usually would. That makes me really happy. But y'all, I'm gonna go finish eating. And after I'm done eating, well, I'm gonna go finish eating while I watch my Criminal Minds. And yes, girl, we finna do it. Thanks for watching this video. See y'all in the next one. Love you. Bye.